Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 13 of chapter 13, time and work. One question is written here. Question number 1. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, while B alone can do it in 15 days. In how many days can both finish the same work? A can do a piece of work in 10 days. So, age 1 day's work. Age 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. B can do it in 15 days. So B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Taken LCM 10 and 15 is 30. 10 3 is 30, 1 3 is 3. 15 2 is 30, so 1 2 is 2. Equal to 5 by 30. 5 6 is 30 equal to 1 by 6. A plus B is 1 day's work is 1 by 6. A plus B is 1 day's work is 1 by 6. So in how many days can both finish the same work? Therefore, total time taken by A plus B equal to 1 by 6, change into 6 days. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3. In this question, tape A can fill a cistern in 8 hours and tape B can empty it in 12 hours. How long will it take to fill the cistern if both of them are opened together? Tape A can fill in 8 hours and tape B can empty in 12 hours. So tape is 1 hour's work. Tape is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 8. Tape A fills and tape B empties. So tape B is 1 hour's work equal to minus 1 by 12. Now tape A plus B both together. Tape A plus B is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 equal to LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. 8 3 is 24. So 3 minus 12 2 is 24. 1 2 is 2 equal to 3 minus 2 1 by 24. Now therefore total time taken by tape A plus B. Total time taken by tape A plus B equal to 1 by 24. It is 1 hour's work. So 1 by 24 change into 24 hours. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4. In this question, two men or three women can do a piece of work in 16 days. In how many days can 4 men and 6 women do the same work? How many days can 4 men and 6 women do the same work? Here 2 men equal to 3 women. Since 2 men equal to 3 women, therefore 1 man equal to 3 by 2 women. Therefore, here 4 men and 6 women. 4 men and 6 women change into women. So 4 men equal to 3 by 2 into 4. 2 2 is 4 equal to 6 women. 6 women. Now 4 men and 6 women equal to 4 men equal to 6 women, and means plus 6 women equal to 12 women. Now write in box number of women. And second column, number of days. First column, number of women. Second column, number of days. Now number of women is first of all 3 women. 3 women can do a piece of work in 16 days. So now change 12 women. In how many days can 4 men and 6 women do the same work? So 4 men and 6 women means 12 women. Let the required number of days be x. It is in inverse variation. By inverse variation. In inverse variation, the product of quantities are constant. So 12 into x equal to 3 into 16. That implies x equal to 3 into 16 by 12. 3 4 are 12 and 4 4 are 16 equal to 4 days answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6 written on this board. In this question, the rates of working of two taps A and B are in the ratio 2:3. The rates of the time taken by A and B respectively to fill a given cistern is. Students, this type question let tape age let tape age 1 hour's work. Let tape age 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 2 years. Total time taken by A 2:3 means 2 years, and total time taken by B means 3 years. Let the tape age 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 2x. Tape with 1 hour's bulb equal to 1 by 3x. Therefore, the ratio of the time taken by A and B equal to 1 by 2x is to 1 by 3x equal to 1 by 2x. Is to means divide. So divide change into multiply. Then 1 by 3x change into 3x by 1. So 1 to 1 cancel, x to x cancel, equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 3 is to 2 answer. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next, and it is last question also today. Question number 10. In this question, A works twice as fast as B. A works twice as fast as B. If both of them can together finish a piece of work in 12 days, in 12 hours, then we alone can do it. Students, let A works twice as fast as B. A works twice as fast as B. So let with 1 hour's work. Let with 1 hour's work be x. Then A's 1 hour's work equal to 2x. A works twice as fast as B. So let V 1 hour's work be x. Then A's 1 hour's work equal to 2x. Now if both of them can together finish a piece of work in 12 days, so A plus B 1 hour's work, 12 hours. So 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 12. If both of them can together finish a piece of work in 12 hours, so A plus B 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 12. According to question, x plus 2x equal to 1 by 12. That implies x plus 2x 3x. 3x equal to 1 by 12. Now that implies x equal to 1 by 12. 3 by transposition change into divide. So 12 into 3 equal to 1 by 36. That means x is the V's work. So x is the V's 1 hour's work. V's 1 hour's work equal to x equal to 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Therefore, time taken by B equal to 36 hours. Answer. Students, Today, your homework is solve test paper. Thank you. That's all.